Okay, so let's look at one of the cool scenarios that I could come up with. We've got the exact same infrastructure. We've got the Dell PowerEdge Server 3 and 4. These are my physical Hyper-V host clusters. They are running two virtual machines, guest cluster 1 and 2, and Node 2 currently has the guest cluster file share. So in this scenario, we're again going to be setting it up so that that client at the bottom is going to be actively copying data to the guest cluster. Then we're going to do probably what we consider to be the worst case scenario. We're actually going to pull the power on the Dell PowerEdge server number 4. This in turn would do a hard shutdown on guest cluster node 2, which in turn does a hard shutdown on the guest cluster file share, which in turn will kick my client down at the bottom off of the physical system. So what we want to see here is we want to see how long it takes for the guest cluster file share to actually flip over, because our understanding is that there's a heartbeat mechanism that happens here, and node 1 will actually take control of that cluster file share. Because we're using a Hyper-V host here, and this is a Hyper-V cluster, we're going to notice that guest 2 will automatically move over to Dell PowerEdge server number 3, and because that the Hyper-V host is set up in high availability, it will automatically try to restart that node, because it again has a heartbeat that goes down to verify that that host is either up and down. Okay, so let's go flip over to the lab.